Long Island. I hope everybody's doing well. I'm reaching out to you today with our latest update with our Cardis Real G Advantage Broker Network numbers. And quite frankly, I wish I had better news. Last month we were at 20 points. 21 would get us to silver, and I was very hopeful when I went over those numbers. But I did also mention that our numbers could drop, and they did. So we dropped down to 18 for July, unfortunately. And where did that drop come from? It came from our Affinity Files on the buy side. Quite frankly, what we are doing is the agents on the team are not engaging and reaching out to the members as often as they should, especially during these trying times. So they're giving up on the files too easily and asking for them to be closed out. I've reached out to them prior this year and asked them not to close them out so quickly, but we continue to do so. And we had so many closed out this month that it dropped our conversion 10%. So what I am asking you guys to do is, as managers, think about the agents who are on your affinity team and think about some of the new agents that you might want to add. It's time now that I've been here about a year and seeing this trend that we need new blood on this affinity team, especially on the buy side. So if you have an agent that has 2 years full-time experience and done 10 transactions for each of those 2 years, and have some and you think that they would be a good fit for the team, please send their name my way. I'll reach out to them and talk to them and see if they are a good fit for the team. But it's definitely time for us to start thinking about making some changes to this team and maybe adding some new thirsty and hungry agents to this team to help improve that number. As far as the rest of the numbers that have come in, we did get our one corporate conversion file, that one file that we needed to convert, so we will get those points next month for those files. So I expect us to be at least closer to that 21 mark, and I hope to see this number improve as far as our conversion goes. I'm also going to be reaching out to the agents with a video letting them know where we stand at this point, and I'm also going to be reaching out to the affinity team agents on the buy side in particular and reiterating the importance of the conversion on this team. It really does make a huge difference, especially going forward. Conversion is key in all of our business lines, and this is the only business line that we're not hitting our markers on. So that's something that I definitely want to improve upon. So send me the agents that you think might be a good fit for the team. Don't make them any promises. I want to interview them first and make sure that they will be a good fit, and we'll get them going. I think we definitely will be moving in the right direction and getting some newer agents on this team and handling the affinity business. That's the latest and the greatest for our numbers in lead generation. If you need anything, just reach out to me. Thank you for your time.